Hello, good afternoon. My name is Manpreet Singh Samra. My student ID is 101410416. And today I'm here to explain slash submit slash record my assignment 3 of machine learning com 3132. So this is assignment 3. I did all of the assignment and I have pre-run the cells, so we should be good. So, some instructions given by my professor. The following assignment is divided into two parts. Run the cell periodically in the given neural network, and then respond to question 3 to 10 in the video. All right, downloading some images. As you can see, this is my Python folder. I am doing it in VS Code. I did all of my assignments here. It's easier and I can make my own virtual environment. So I prefer this way. This way we did like in semester 5 and I've been doing it in semester 6 as well. It's clean, organized. I love it. So here first we have imported all the libraries. The one which we couldn't import, I downloaded them here. As you can see, then we imported the image, then we showed the content of the image, and then the bytes I have like did the commenting if wherever I am stuck, like my keywords and stuff. So this is our first image, a Lamborghini. Wow, perfect. So beautiful. Because we have imported Matplot library over here. Yeah, so that's why we can do it. Now we are printing the image array and we are comparing the values of color 0 and 1, as you can see over here. So now we are importing, no, so we are saving the color channel 0 into the input image array, this variable, and printing it. So as you can see, it's all yellow now. So like now we are visualizing the resulting array. Da, 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 done, done, done. Now we are working on convolution with 2D kernels. So here we have created a variable and we are doing numpy dot adding two rows to columns and this variable which we had created here like the image, and then we are creating the kernel with this dimension, and input np dot zeros is going to create a data frame of zeros of this shape. As you can see over here, original shape was this and the parent array shape has become this. Now we are doing a function for I in range between this range, for j in range this range, do this and give it the output array. As you can see, it's over here now, and we have changed the color to gray. All right, so we have defined a function to skim out the values between 0 and 255. Very simple, semester 1. And here we have defined another function to apply to the kernel to an image. Parameters where cost pixels equal to 2, same, which we are doing. Uh, Here I had created a new, you can say, for loop, and going further, this is what we see after doing all these changes. Interesting, right? Type your code here. So question 1. Based on the kernel representative of the creator major or whatever, as you can see, this is what I did. Change it to gray, 45 line detection. Ta-da. Again, now it's 135 degrees. 135 degrees. Question 2. Apply on gray plot the output. Here I'm plotting the output. This is my data frame. This is the new variable. Kernel 1. Alright, this is question 2, np.array, here transfer edge 2. Okay. This is so interesting, yet I feel like we are doing it in repetition this course, semester 6. Question 2c. Now, Edge kernel 3, we are doing edge kernel 2, kernel 2, edge kernel 3. And with this, we are done with our part A. So in part B, we are importing some important libraries like TensorFlow and everything, loading the dataset, training images, training label, test. This is semester 5. This is so semester 5. Hard coding, converting to flow, integers to float, as you can with the S type float 32, it's gonna convert this variable to float, and we are doing it range 0 to 1. And here we are building a neural network model. To be honest, here I was getting some problem with the Keras importing. I don't know what happened with my virtual environment, but I did it. Yeah, maybe yeah, it needs an upgrade. That's why I installed it again, but then it worked. I'm gonna update my pip. I need it. Or no, let's see. Then we are compiling the model and displaying a summary. As you can see, wow, so good. Now we are calling a custom callback, and here, as you can see, now we are training the networks. This part took long minutes, like 6 minutes, because I'm doing epochs of 50. I wanna I wanna be sure I test them all. And we are then plotting the result, as you can see. Training accuracy, validation accuracy, all thanks to Matplot library. Yeah, so these are the questions. Um, okay, hold on. Yeah, so this is the answer. We see these are marked down. How many layers it has? 8 layers. What are the explain these layers? All right, so here I explained all the layers. Let's just delete some extra cells. Add one or more convolution layer to the model and run it again. As you can see, Professor, I created a new variable and I have created all the models with the convolution layers. And I'm compiling my new model, and same thing, as you can see, there's a huge difference now. So yeah, so the bigger model with an extra Convo 2D layer and max pooling, it's going to improve the feature of extraction process and the may achieve slightly higher accuracy and reduces overfitting. Again, I worked here, see like what's the problem, and I compiled it. As you can see, it's much better now in the third try. And yeah, that's pretty much it for assignment 3, explaining your words. Yep, I did it here. Feel free to pause the video and check. Um, I'm very thankful for my professor to taking out time and working my assignment. I hope you liked it. There's some minor problems, but I'm gonna work on them. Thank you. Have a good day.